Hey Barb, as you probably heard, Howl-O-Scream 2014 is just around the corner. And boy, do we have some sinister stuff lined up for you this year. Do you remember last year? We're here in Deathwater Bayou, where we held Scream Cam 2013. Now, we had so much fun terrifying you that this year, we're really going to up our game. We're going to invite you to a brand new haunted house called Deadfall. Now, Deadfall is filled with ghosts, memories of the long past who refuse to be forgotten. They will reach out to drag unsuspecting guests, that means you, into their world. Think you can escape? Let's find out. We would like to invite you to Scream Cam 2014. It proves to be one of the most bone-chilling media days ever. And it will take place on September 25th. All you need to do is... I'm so sorry. This is really embarrassing. Hang on just a sec. Hi, this is Scott. Oh no. This can't be! No!